In this module, you will learn about pressure. Take a drawing pin and try to push it into a wooden block. Did you succeed? In all probability, yes. Now keep the pin aside and try to push your thumb into the wooden block. Did you succeed this time? No. Why not? Take an apple and try to slice it in half with the help of a sharp knife. Did the apple cut easily? Yes. Now try to cut another apple with a blunt knife. Did the apple cut easily this time? No. Well, what's the reason for this? The answers to the riddles lie in the fact that the point of the drawing pin and the edge of the sharp knife both have a small area. How does this help? Well, force acting in a small area exerts a large pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as the force per unit area. Mathematically, pressure is given by force over area. That is, P is equal to F over A. The SI unit for pressure is Newton per square meter. This unit is also known as Pascal, abbreviated as uppercase P, lowercase a. Ever wondered why the unit for pressure is called Pascal? Well, it is named after Blaise Pascal, a French physicist, who clarified the concepts of pressure and vacuum. He also invented the hydraulic press and the syringe. Both these equipments make use of pressure to work. Take a solid block and rest it on a table on its biggest surface. Will the pressure exerted by the block on the table in this case be small or large? Well, it will be small, because the bigger the area of contact, the smaller the pressure. Now, rest the same block sideways on its smallest surface. The block will now exert a large pressure on the table. You will find it hard walking on sand if you wear shoes with high heels. This is because the small area of the heels exerts a large pressure on sand, making your feet sink into the sand. On the contrary, if you wear flat shoes, the force, that is your body weight, will spread over a larger area and you'll be able to walk much more easily on sand. It's now time for problem solving. Look at this figure. The thumb exerts a force of 20 Newton on the pin. The area of the pin head is 0.5 square centimeter. Calculate the pressure exerted on the wooden board. Pressure is given by force over area. Substituting the values, you get pressures equal to 20 over 0.5. That is 40 Newton per square centimeter. So the pressure exerted on the board is 40 Newton per square centimeter. Easy, wasn't it? In this module, you've learned the following. Pressure is defined as the force per unit area. That is, P is equal to F over A. The SI unit for pressure is Newton per square meter. This unit is also known as Pascal. The unit Pascal is named after Blaise Pascal, a French physicist. The bigger the area of an object, the smaller the pressure exerted by the object. The smaller the area of an object, the larger the pressure exerted by the object.